You're looking at $2,500 of blue water. To you, it's a bottle of Tide. To the chemical industry, it's a 900% markup on a single mineral that costs 10 cents. And here's what's wild. The active ingredient in this bottle is sitting on the bottom shelf of your local Walmart right now in a yellow box for $4. Most people walk past it every single week. Stay with me, because in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn that $4 box into what I call white gold. A concentrated cleaning gel that replaces every drop of detergent in your house for an entire year. Total cost $6. Total loads $300. And the kicker? Your washing machine will actually run cleaner because of it. But before I show you the recipe, you need to understand how we got tricked in the first place. Because this isn't a coincidence, this is design. Here's the secret nobody talks about. 90% of every detergent bottle on that shelf is just water. That's not an exaggeration. Pour out a bottle of Tide, and roughly 9/10 of what hits the drain is plain tap water with food coloring in it. The actual cleaning agent, the surfactant, makes up less than 3% of the bottle. The rest is water, dye, and synthetic fragrance. You're paying $25 to ship water across the country in a plastic jug. In the 1950s, the soap industry figured out something brilliant. They couldn't charge premium prices for raw minerals because anyone could buy those. So they did something else. They added a scent. They called it Mountain Spring. They called it Ocean Breeze. And after about a decade of advertising, the average American brain started to associate that synthetic smell with the concept of clean. Think about that. You don't actually know if your clothes are clean. You smell them, and if they smell like that fragrance, your brain says clean. That's not chemistry, that's conditioning. Your nose has been trained to validate a markup. Now here's where it gets interesting, and this is the part that changes everything. The actual chemistry of cleaning clothes does not require any of this. It requires 3 things: a surfactant to break surface tension, a water softener to neutralize hard water minerals, and an alkaline catalyst to lift oils off fabric fibers. That's it. 3 ingredients. Total cost in bulk under $6 for a year supply. And every one of these ingredients is hiding in plain sight. Let me show you exactly what to buy and where. The first ingredient is washing soda, not baking soda, washing soda. The brand name is Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda, and it comes in a bright yellow 3-pound box. You can find it at Walmart for around $4.99, at most grocery stores, and on Amazon for about $6. This is sodium carbonate, the catalyst. When this hits water, it creates an alkaline pH spike of around 11, which physically lifts proteins and oils off your fabric. This is the workhorse. This is the molecule that the entire synthetic detergent industry was built to replace because they couldn't patent it. The second ingredient is borax. The brand is 20 Mule Team Borax, and again, bottom shelf, about $5 for a 4-pound box at Walmart, Target, or Home Depot. Borax is a natural mineral mined out of dry lake beds in California. Its job is to soften your water. Hard water, which most of America has, wraps minerals around dirt particles and makes them stick to your clothes. Borax breaks those bonds. Without this step, you're cleaning your clothes in liquid concrete. The third ingredient is Castile soap. The brand to look for is Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Bar Soap, about $4.50 per bar. You can also use Kirk's Castile, which is closer to $2 a bar. Any decent grocery store carries it. This is your surfactant, the actual soap molecule that grabs onto grease and rinses it away. 1 bar of this replaces a quart of liquid surfactant in any detergent. 3 ingredients. Total cost, roughly $13 for the materials. And you'll have leftovers from each box that last you another full year. Effective cost per batch, about $6. Now, here's how you actually make it. Stay with me, because the technique matters more than the ingredients. Take your bar of Castile soap and grate it on a regular cheese grater into a small saucepan. You're aiming for about 1 full cup of grated soap flakes. Add 4 cups of hot water to the pan and put it on low heat. Stir slowly for about 10 minutes until every flake has dissolved. Do not let it boil. You'll create foam that ruins the consistency. While that's melting, take a 5-gallon bucket. Home Depot sells these orange ones for $3, $50. Fill it about halfway with the hottest tap water your sink will produce. Pour your melted soap mixture into the bucket. Then add 1 full cup of washing soda and 1 full cup of borax. Stir slowly with a long wooden spoon for about 2 minutes. You'll feel the texture change as the chemistry kicks in. Now top off the bucket with cold water until it's full. Snap the lid on. And here's the part nobody tells you. Let it sit overnight. Within 12 hours, the entire bucket transforms into a thick, semi-translucent gel. That's the phase change. That's white gold. That gel is now a concentrated detergent that will run for roughly 300 loads, which is 1 full year of laundry for a family of 4. Per load, you use about half a cup of the gel. Just scoop and drop it directly into the drum or into the detergent tray if you have a front loader. It dissolves instantly in any water temperature. Now you might be wondering, will this destroy my high-efficiency washing machine? Actually, it's the opposite. Synthetic detergents are engineered to create suds, but suds don't clean anything. They're just air bubbles, and they clog up the drainage sensors on modern HE machines. This recipe is naturally low sudsing. Your machine was actually designed for soap chemistry like this before the industry lobbied to change the standard. And one more thing, because there are no synthetic dyes, no optical brighteners, and no fragrance chemicals, this is the only laundry product that won't trigger eczema, baby skin reactions, or the migraines that some people get from scented detergents. If you've ever had a kid break out in a rash from free and clear detergent, this is why. Free and clear still has surfactants. This recipe doesn't need them. So let's recap what you just learned. The $60 billion laundry industry sells you a plastic bottle that's 90% water and 10% ingredients. You can buy for $6. 3 minerals, washing soda, borax, and Castile soap replace every premium detergent on that shelf. A 5-gallon bucket lasts a family of 4 for an entire year, and your clothes come out cleaner, not dirtier. You now know exactly what a $60 billion industry is counting on you not knowing. The next time you walk past that shelf at Walmart, you'll see it differently. You'll see the markup, you'll see the water, you'll see the trick. If this saved you money, hit the like button. It tells the algorithm to show this video to other people getting ripped off. And if you want the next material science trick that replaces an even bigger household markup, the video on your screen right now shows you exactly that. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.